Starting an injection molding quote with RapidDirect is quick, easy, and simple. Simply select injection molding as your processing technology and then upload the file to our quoting system. After your file is uploaded, click on the Configure button to further customize your quote. You can choose materials from the drop-down menu and specify SPI finish, surface finish. If you can't find what you need, use Other. Be sure to attach technical drawings and any supporting documents, including details like the number of tapped holes, inserts, and part marking requirements. Use the Notes section to highlight any special needs or custom selections. You can also update the quantity, estimated annual needs, and estimated total needs. Let us know whether you need a molding tool for low-volume prototyping runs or a production tool for higher volumes. Once you've finished configuring your quote, click the Close button to return to the quote summary page. Then click the Request Quote button to submit your RFQ. You will now find this RFQ on your quote page with the status of Awaiting Quotes. A dedicated account manager will be assigned to assist you with technical suggestions and cost-saving tips to ensure a successful outcome. Within 24 to 48 hours, you will receive a detailed quote from our technical team. The quote summary on the right includes the tooling and part production quote, as well as lead time and shipping costs. Once you've completed the payment process, you will be redirected to the Order Summary page, where you can view your order details and track production status later. We have developed a streamlined injection molding order process that breaks down tedious communication into simple steps. Key steps include order placement, DFM analysis, mold design, mold trail, production, delivery, and complete. Moreover, you can click on the tab below each step to access more detailed information. Let's go through the process step by step. After placing the order, you can expect to receive a DFM report within 24 to 72 hours. Simply click the Review DFM Report button and download the reports. If the report meets your requirements, you can click the Approve button to initiate mold design and mold production. However, if you have additional requirements or changes, just upload your revised specifications and submit Disapprove. We will then work on improving the DFM report until you are satisfied and ready to approve the mold design process. When the DFM report is approved, our team will proceed with the mold design and production. Once that's done, we'll begin T1 sample production and send the samples for your review and approval. On the sample confirmation page, you need to check which sample is qualified and which is not. If all samples are qualified, then you can click on the button Confirm Selected Samples, which will bring up a Confirm page. By clicking the Submit button, the order is now pending production. At this stage, you will need to finish the balance payment to initiate the parts production. By clicking on the View Activity button under the production stage or checking the activity timeline below, you can track all production updates of your parts. All production processes are transparent and in real time, and you can always contact us if there are any problems. Injection molding projects are complex and require attention to detail for high-quality results. Our online platform simplifies the quoting and ordering process, making it faster and easier. If you have any questions, our dedicated account managers and engineering team are here to help. Feel free to contact us. Ready to get started? Just upload your file now.